Utah's Red Rock country feels like another planet. A land carved by wind, time, and fire. From massive stone arches and deep canyons to glowing orange cliffs, this region shows nature's raw power and timeless beauty. Every view here feels like it belongs in a movie. And from above, it's even more breathtaking. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. I'd love to know. Let's take off and explore some of Utah's most spectacular red rock landscapes, seen like never before. 1. Arches National Park. Home to over 2,000 natural stone arches, this park is one of the most famous landmarks in Utah. The most iconic of them all, Delicate Arch, stands alone like a gateway to another world. At sunrise and sunset, its red-orange glow feels almost unreal, a must-see for every traveler and photographer. 2. Canyonlands National Park. Canyonlands is a vast wilderness of deep canyons and twisted rock formations carved by the Colorado and Green Rivers. From the sky, it looks like a giant maze made by nature's hand. The Island in the Sky viewpoint offers one of the most dramatic overlooks in America, stretching for miles in every direction. Have you ever stood somewhere that made you feel small in the best possible way? Tell me in the comments. 3. Bryce Canyon National Park. Bryce Canyon isn't actually a canyon. It's a giant natural amphitheater filled with thousands of hoodoos, those strange spire-like rock towers shaped by frost and rain. The bright red, orange, and pink colors make the landscape look alive, especially at sunrise when the light touches every peak. 4. Zion National Park. Zion is Utah's crown jewel, a place where massive sandstone cliffs rise straight out of the ground. The park's most famous trail, Angel's Landing, gives a jaw-dropping view of the valley below. From a drone's view, you can see the Virgin River winding gracefully through the Red Canyon walls. It's wild, ancient, and unforgettable. 5. Monument Valley. Few places in the world are as instantly recognizable as Monument Valley. Its towering sandstone buttes have appeared in countless movies and westerns. The area belongs to the Navajo Nation and holds deep cultural meaning. Watching the sun rise here feels like witnessing the Earth's history unfold in front of you. If you could visit just one of these places, which one would you choose first? Drop your answer in the comments. 6. Capitol Reef National Park. Capitol Reef is one of Utah's most underrated parks, It's home to the Water Pocket Fold, a 100-mile-long wrinkle in the Earth's crust. The park's layered cliffs, natural bridges, and desert orchards tell a story of time stretching back millions of years. It's quieter than other parks, a perfect spot for peaceful exploration. 7. Goblin Valley State Park. This park looks straight out of a science fiction movie. Thousands of mushroom-shaped rocks known as goblins fill the valley floor. Their strange shapes were formed by erosion over ages, creating a playground of natural sculptures. From above, the patterns and shadows look like another world altogether. 8. Dead Horse Point State Park. This viewpoint offers one of the most photographed landscapes in the American Southwest. The overlook sits high above a massive bend in the Colorado River, revealing layers of red rock stretching to the horizon. It's said that old cowboys once used the point to corral wild horses, giving it its unusual name. Have you ever seen a view so beautiful you couldn't look away? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. 9. Grand Staircase Escalante National Monument. Covering nearly 1 million acres, this area is a wonderland of slot canyons, natural bridges, and colorful cliffs. The landscape feels untouched and endless. Hidden inside are fossils, ancient petroglyphs, and narrow canyons that look magical from above. It's a true paradise for adventurers and drone pilots alike. 10. Coral Pink Sand Dunes State Park. Here, the wind has shaped miles of soft coral-colored dunes that move and change every year. The color comes from Navajo sandstone that gives the sand its warm pink glow. It's a favorite spot for off-roaders, photographers, and anyone who loves watching the sunset turn the desert gold and red. 11. Valley of the Gods. Often called a mini monument valley, this place has stunning rock towers, mesas, and buttes, but with far fewer crowds. It's a hidden gem where silence stretches for miles. When the light hits the rocks just right, it feels like nature's own cathedral. 12. Natural Bridges National Monument. Home to 3 of the largest natural stone bridges in the world, this monument shows how water can carve even the hardest rock. The bridges, Sipapu, Kachina, and Owachomo, were sacred to Native American tribes who once lived in the area. Seeing them from above reveals their true size and beauty. Utah's Red Rock Country is more than just a landscape. It's a living story, written in stone. Each cliff, canyon, and desert dune holds the memory of time itself. From above, you can see how the earth breathes, folds, and changes, reminding us how small yet connected we all are. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the American Southwest, This is your sign to go. Which of these places is now on your bucket list? Tell me in the comments, and if you love nature as much as I do, make sure to hit subscribe for more adventures from above.